In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Money Flow Index or MFI in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the chart tools and controls are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. This is where you can access the list of indicators available for your chart layout. Click on the Indicators icon to continue. After clicking the Indicators icon, select Add Indicator to open the Indicators menu. Once the menu appears, you will see a full list of indicators that can be added to your chart. From here, you can either scroll through the available options manually or use the search box to locate the indicator more quickly. In the search box, type MFI and wait for the matching result to appear in the list. When you see Money Flow Index or MFI in the search results, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the indicator will immediately appear within your chart layout. Once the indicator has been added, you can customize it by clicking on Setting. Open the Settings panel and adjust the available options according to your preferred chart setup. Continue reviewing the settings until everything appears the way you want on the chart. After making your adjustments, close the Settings panel to return to the main chart view. The Money Flow Index or MFI indicator will remain active on your chart unless you remove it or replace it with another indicator later. If needed, you can always return to the Indicators menu again to make further changes or update the settings at any time. By following these steps, you can quickly add and customize the Money Flow Index or MFI indicator inside Robinhood Legend and keep it available directly on your chart layout whenever you need it.